All right, so I've been getting so many questions about this, so finally let me dive into it. I have some pointers here just to make sure I'm hitting all the right points so you can get this. No doc business loans. It's really more of a low doc business loans because every lender is going to require some form of documentation. But the no doc business loans, it's really more low doc business loans. It's a great option. It's very good for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Why? Because it's fast access to capital, fast access to other people's money. That's the beautiful thing. Without the extensive documentation requirements or process, it simplifies the underwriting process. In addition to that, you have faster loan processing and there's greater flexibility in the application requirements and the application process as well. If the application process is a lot more streamlined and straightforward, so it doesn't complicate the process for you getting access to fast capital. But there's always some kind of requirements. And so lenders are going to be looking at customers' credit history. They're going to be looking at collateral. There's always some kind of collateral involved when it comes to accessing other people's money. It's all about perspective. Number three, the value of borrowers' assets. What are the value of the borrower's assets? Are they looking at some proof of revenue or the credit score history? These things are extremely important when it comes to having access to other people's money and when it comes to a no doc business loans. So everything that I just laid out, these are the pros when it comes to no doc business loans. What are some of the cons? Well, number one, you have shorter terms. And because you have shorter terms, what's going to end up happening now you have fewer options. And with those fewer options come higher interest rate or higher APR. But there are four types of no dot business loans that are pretty cool and pretty great. It's a great option for entrepreneurs and small businesses. Number one, you have short term business loans. Then you also have business line of credit and you have merchant cash advance as well as invoice financing. These four options are great and it really allows small businesses and entrepreneurs to have access to OPM, access to other people's money, access to capital real fast. So the no dot business loan, great option. Obviously, there are pros and cons, but it's quite phenomenal just simplifying things and allowing folks that doesn't have extensive history in their business and documentation to get access to capital, to grow fast, and to get access to capital fast.